Hi everyone, it's Elliot from Lincoln HAART here. Today you join me at our new listing to the market. It's this just behind me. It's a 3-storey property with 3 double bedrooms on Furness Close in North Hykeham. As you don't need telling, North Hykeham is an excellent area with plenty of local amenities, and this one really is a stunner just behind me. So if you're interested in viewing, why don't you follow me? Thanks everyone for joining me on this guided tour of the excellent property here at Furness Close. You now join me on the top floor of this 3-storey property here in the one of 3 double bedrooms. So if you're interested in viewing, why don't you come down and view it physically? Give us a call, you know the number by now. It's 01522 510088. I'll see you here for the viewing.